Trump has announced 25% tariff on the Indian export to the US. Plus, there is some unspecified penalty which he has put for procuring arms and energy from the Russia. Now, investors are very much worried that what is its impact on the Indian stock market because their money is invested into the stock market. But to everyone's surprise, you would have observed that market has not shaken a lot. Initially, the market dropped by around 800 points of Sensex, but thereafter it recovered fully. Now, the question is that why the market is resilient and it is not correcting after this big news. There are three factors which is contributing to the resilience of the market. The first factor is that India is still a consumption-driven economy. Therefore, the heavy sectors like banking and financial, consumption, FMCG, they are not impacted by this tariff implementation. The second big reason why the market is resilient is there is a limited reliance on export. We export around $87 billion to the US, which is contributing only 2% to the Indian GDP. Therefore, if our export get reduced by 10%, there will be a drop of 20 basis point in our GDP. So our GDP expectation, which is around 6.2% as per the Nomura, then my GDP will drop to 6% only. So there is not much impact on our GDP. The third big factor why the market is resilient is that investors are bracing this as a taco deal. Now, this taco is a shorthand used for the Trump, which means that Trump always chicken out, which means that investors are hoping that Mr. Trump will reverse this trade deal and settle to some comfortable trade of percentage to the tune of nearly 15 to 20%, which it has done with the European countries. So, dear investor, remain invested for the long term because the impact of the tariff is not much on the Indian stock market, but definitely it brings a lot of volatility to the Indian stock market. Keep investing. Thank you.